Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use transition on TikTok. If you are wondering how you can make your TikTok video stand out, then think about inserting a creative transition effect. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Tap the effects icon and hit transition. Here you can see a lot of options you can choose from. Decide which one suits your video best and click on it. Tap Save and post your video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use transition on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.